be going to a lovely Etsy owner. So the first stone that we get to start with is our brown tiger eye. Okay, so brown tiger eye, followed by silver spacers. The next stone is our red carnelian. There we go. Okay, followed by, again, our silver spacers. Okay, next stone after that is beautiful green jade here. You see, green jade, followed by our silver spacers. Then after that, our beautiful blue turquoise, and then our silver spacers, followed by our beautiful, it's one of my favorite stones, is blue lapis lazuli. What do you think of that? Isn't that beautiful? All right, so the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and close these off. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna lay one over here. We're gonna bend our flathead pin, get our round nose pliers, and curl our ends, making sure that it's secure.